Hey guys, what's up? Kick Ponds. You're running Antergos, well, so am I. We're going to take a look at Antergos inside a VM. Hello Mark, welcome. How's my mic? Mic check. How's the sound? Everything good? Looks like good on my end. Get started here in a second. Sounds good. Okay, thanks. So, wish I had a bigger monitor. Anyway. Oh no, did I forget my password? There we go. Yeah, I don't know what's up lately with these delays, with the live streams. I don't know. Sounds perfect? Okay. Alright. Anyway, as far as Antergos goes, I thought the installer was easy. I'm going to turn down the music here. I thought the installer, I was surprised. I'll be quite honest. This is Arch based. There's what, 6 different desktop environments to choose from for Antergos Linux, and I don't know what to expect. I'll be honest. I've been asked in the past to take a look at Antergos. It seems popular, at least with some users of this distribution that is Arch based. And I really didn't know what to expect. I thought the installation process was easy. There were some tips along the way on what desktop environment to choose, and I chose XFCE. I wanted to go light, and here we are. Anybody else using besides, looks like Kepons is. Okay, Mark, are you using Antergos? The XFCE desktop, when I made a decision to pick Linux Mint. Good evening, Joe. Welcome. The XFCE desktop, when I made a decision to pick something that's fairly simple for beginners or lightweight to show everybody when I would do these videos, when I'm not using Windows 10, I chose Mate. There's just something about the Mint menu that I've always liked from the beginning. But XFCE, I think for beginners, is also terrific. So what I'm going to do here is go through this desktop fairly easy, but then I'll go back and check the live chat. But this is the default desktop. I think the wallpaper's silly. I know there's a little mousy here, but be that as it may, it's, yeah. I did install the whisker menu. I think this is better, or at least I like this better than the applications drop-down menu. I guess it's just a matter of choice. I suppose probably for beginners between that one and this one. I don't know, there's just something about the whisker menu. The default applications, and this I've mentioned before, I think there's plenty, at least for a beginner to get started. Of course, always read the documentation if you are starting off with anything new in Linux. The file manager, as far as the settings, I think this is self-explanatory. Icon size, looks like a lot of choices here. Let's go to these real quick here. So the web browser. Anyway, Google. So let's keep moving along here. Accessories, the usual here. Let's go to the task manager. Let's see here. Memory, 19%. You know, it is lightweight. Overall, running this inside a VM is not too bad. It's kind of impressive, actually, as I was, saying. HP device manager. I use that for my HP printer. It's pretty good. Printers are going to be a hit and miss. Obviously, I don't have any HP devices, for this, but this is what I use to configure and set up my HP printer. Very easy, or somewhat easy. Alright, graphics, again, not too much here. Internet, we have Chromium and Firefox. Google as a search engine. Multimedia, pulse audio volume control. Self-explanatory. Playback, recording, output devices. Basic stuff here. LibreOffice, of course, system. Let's go to software update and see what we got. Kepons, you're doing a base install on Antergos. Underrated, you can just install on any WM or DM once installed. Yeah, I mean it works so far. I mean, I haven't fully tested this. I guess the only way to fully test anything is to do a full install. But so far, this just seems to work. I don't want to download the updates now. This may affect the stream. 162 megabytes is not too bad. Since last week I installed this. Can't remember. It hasn't been that long ago. Preferences. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, this one here, I turned it on, but it says AUR is a community maintained repository, so it presents potential risks and problems. All AUR users should be familiar with the build process. If you are a beginner to this, you may want to shut it off. But this may limit you to some of your favorite programs. I guess it has its ups and downsides reasons for that. Alright, let's keep moving along here. So, different workspaces, the usual standard panel. I've always liked the ability to add little applets, as you could in the Mate desktop, add new items, and whatever you want. The whisker menu, my favorite, one of my favorites, we can add the trash applet. There it is right here. I like the default fonts, colors, no issue there. Actually, I think I may have changed the actual colors, but the default fonts for all this is, for a beginner, I don't think it's going to be a problem. What possible issues may arise down the road is, at least for Windows users, is there going to be a piece of software that they use in Windows that is not going to be available in Linux? You don't know. I suppose you should do some research first, before you try something like this. What the heck is ZOMG ponies? Ugh. Let's see. Smoke. Bright. Retro. Huh. I guess retro is okay. Let's see here. Panel preferences. Vertical, horizontal, lock the panel, the size of the panel, you know. Yeah, I like what I see. I don't know if this is something I may do as a full install, but I was asked to take a look at this, and I uploaded one video taking a look at this, and the install process was easier than I thought it was going to be. I was able to install this on the first try. Multiple desktop environments to choose from. It does give a little pop-up tip or a little description of each desktop environment. Mandatory. If you really don't know what is going on, runs pretty quick inside a virtual machine, no problems. In the long run, you really don't know until you do a full install. If you happen to have a test machine, go for it. Because you know at least the install process is going to be fine, I believe, for beginners. Other than that, I'm not going to go into full in-depth for this. I mean, it's based off of Arch. Arch by itself is not designed for beginners. It just isn't. But for Arch-based, something like this is perfectly fine. At least those are my thoughts. So I don't know what you guys think. But yeah, I just thought I would jump off for a few minutes. I went for a swim. It's about 90 today. I just got back. I was chewing on a Klondike ice cream, one of my favorites, Heath Klondike. I thought I would jump off for a few minutes and just say hello. And that's it. What do you guys think of all this? No burners, okay, yeah. Anyway. I think I've used this before. This is fairly easy. Yeah, just basic stuff. So that's really all I have for this one. A fairly short live event. Just an update of what I've been doing with this Antergos and been testing it. Haven't installed any updates or anything. I just wanted to see how this flowed in a VM. But I like what I see. Let's go to their website real quick, and then I'm going to wrap this up soon and jump in the shower. It's humid. Always fresh, never frozen. Ha ha. Yeah, rolling release. Your entire system, from the base OS components to the applications you install, receive updates as they are released upstream. Usually nothing to reinstall. Multilingual, very good. Spanish, Galician, oh, Catalan, English, German, and more. The latest news. Looks like from June 9th and June 4th. Take a look at About Antergos real quick. Yeah, that's for everyone, yeah. It was originally started under Synarch. That vaguely rings a bell. Around 2013. Okay. Some of the developers, very good. Michael Tunnel, what's up? If you ever watch this. Anyway. Alright, well that's all I have for this. I'll stick around a few more minutes, but that's it. Just a quick look again at Antergos as a Windows user. It seems okay. Yeah, at least in a virtual machine in my brief look here. So alright, well I'm going to wrap this up. Probably one of the shortest live events I've ever done. Just want to do this real quick. Sit down, chill with some ice cream, and I'm going to jump in the shower, and because I enjoyed my swim. One of the best forms of exercise is swimming. Try it. You might like it. Alright guys, I'm going to take off, so enjoy your evening, and I'll catch you on the next one. So that's it. Take care.